Hi, I'm Toby from MPOWER Tools and I'm going to be demonstrating the technique of using our new knife sharpener. So the first thing we're going to do is, what kind of grip have you got on the knife? Use your dominant hand and hold it between your thumb and forefinger. Make sure it's relaxed, and the reason for that is that we've got rare earth magnets embedded in the front plate of the knife sharpener. It means to say that the knife is held at the right angle when you're drawing the blade through the KS. So pop the knife into the slot and draw it through, and we'll do sets of 3. The most important thing, and that's my first set, is that you want to be able to feel the knife side being gripped by the magnets for your underside stroke. So you'll be able to feel it there, that's holding the knife at the right angle, and draw them again through on the underside. Roll it over again in your hand. Another set. Roll it over again. Another set. Now your knife has got that very sharp edge regained and ready to go. The last procedure or last part is to strop the blade on the back of the onboard strop. So the second technique I'm going to demonstrate is the WORKTOP technique, and this gives you a great visual indication as to the position of the blade up against the KS. So, non-dominant hand on the top of the KS. Knife again, relaxed grip. I want you to feel those magnets grip the side of the blade, and that gives you the perfect angle that the blade touches the diamond stone with, and draw back. So again, a set of 3, rotate 180, hand down, relax the grip, blade side up against the strike plate, 180, finally another 180, and that's your blade resharpened. Another technique for the second stropping process is knife blade edge away from the body, and literally just wipe the blade edge against the leather. So those are the 2 techniques for using your FASTTRACK Knife Sharpener from MPOWER Tools. Thanks for watching.